We're NASA, boldly exploring space. And our team is just as passionate about probing our own Earth's scientific mysteries. Sea level rise, carbon dioxide pollution, aerosol emissions, melting ice sheets. How do these changes on the Earth impact us? And how do our actions impact the Earth?
My name is Lynn McMurdy. I'm a research associate professor at the University of Washington, and I'm also the principal investigator for the investigation of microphysics and precipitation for Atlantic coast-threatening snowstorms. Winter snowstorms affect the eastern seaboard, where a vast majority of our U.S. population lives. And as beautiful and as picturesque as snowfall is, it is also hazardous to transportation and public safety. The snowfall distribution within those clouds is not evenly distributed. It's often organized in narrow bands called snow bands. And inside the snow bands is where the snowfall is very heavy, and outside the snowfall is very light. And this is what makes it very difficult to forecast snowfall amounts within a major winter cyclone. There has not been a major field campaign to study East Coast snowstorms in over 30 years. With the advanced technologies we have today, now is the time. And we will do that with two NASA aircraft. And together, these two types of information that we gather from the aircraft as they fly in and out of the clouds will help us understand the processes of how snow bands form and help us improve our numerical forecasts of these storms so that you can tell your friends where it's going to snow heavily in their backyard but not in your backyard. And we will also improve our ability to measure snowfall from space so that we can apply that knowledge to snowstorms that aren't well documented. I'm excited to be part of this program, and I'm really glad I was able to tell you about it.
This is one of dozens of NASA's Earth Venture projects and investigations managed by the Earth System Science Pathfinder program. We study from space, land, sea, and the air to learn more about how our Earth systems are connected and changing, how this information can improve our quality of life and protect our future.